Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you guys how you can buy from AliExpress without paying, or how you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. Now this is very easy guys. Now if you are a dropshipper or you just want to wait for the seller to reduce the price so that you can you can ask them for a discount, you can do this. Okay, now let me just sign in into my account so that I can show you guys how you can buy from AliExpress without paying. Okay, now what you need to do guys, you want to find the product that you want to buy. For example, this one, I'm going to select this one. Now I'm just going to select a random color here. I'm going to click on buy now. Now what you need to do guys is just want to click on select payment method. Okay, and you want to click on add a new card. Okay, now you just want to add these information. These information are like you can just come up with something from your mind. Okay, this is not against their policies. Now you can just copy this from the description. I will leave these exact information in the description. The card number is this one, and the month and year. The month is January 1 and the year is 49. Now I'm going to, month is like I said January, and year is 49. Okay, as you can see 1 and 49. As you can see, these are the information that you have to enter. And the CVV, this is the CVV 730. Copy it and then paste it here. Okay, and then you want to click on save and confirm. Now you can use these credit cards whenever you want to place an order without paying, so that you can wait for the seller to reduce the price. You want to click on pay now, or some people they want to pay for all orders at once. Yeah, that might be the case. And as you can see here guys, payment failed. But if you click on here and my orders, you will find the item here and it says here pay now. Okay, so I hope guys this video helped you. Now you just want to leave a like if you can. Thank you so much. So have a good